Hello everyone. Broke my metacarpal 4. I'm going to go and get a cast on it today. So I won't be doing any chainsaw videos for a bit. But I'm going to do a little Dremel video. And I'm going to carve a little offcut from the back of the bear's head. I'm just going to put a little number in there. Maybe a little bit of detail around it. And then when we've got the number and the detail in, I'm going to spray paint into the carving you've done. So like where you've carved out the number 7 or whatever number you want to do in like your detail, spray paint in there, and then sand it, and your carving will stand out lovely and black. So let's see how we get on with one hand. Hello. Let's get show you what I'm using. So I've got the Dremel 3000 with the flex hose attachment on it, and a Kutzall flame burr extra coarse matte black spray paint. So we've got number 7, a few little lines like sun rays. Give that a little spray paint. And I just store my Dremel up there in the hooks out the way, plugs up and out the way. Then to dry your paint quicker, set it on fire. Sit. There you go. Just needs a little sand now. That's how quick and easy it is. So we've got 36 grit, and I've just used 2 of them. So hopefully it prevents it from breaking, flicking off everywhere. So yeah, we're going to use the grinder with 36 grit discs, sand it up, and then the engravings should stand out like highlighted.
Let's see what happens. There you go.
All we need to do now on that now is a bit of varnish, so it lasts a long time. How to make an engraving, 10-15 minutes, £10 all day, that is, £10. Give me a look at a lick of varnish. Make them nice and waterproof and last longer. And just make sure your spray paint's dry first, otherwise you'll just be spreading black smudges everywhere. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats just for extra life out of your piece. And in case you miss anything on the first coat as well. I made the second sign, wipe your feet or else. For what's the point in getting the varnish out unless you've got at least 2 things to varnish. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and please share the videos to help my channel grow so I can keep making videos and hopefully enjoy them. Thanks again.